Virginia here with Jenny Lee Gems. I just want to do a little video and get your opinion on how I should wrap something that I just got lucky enough to get this weekend. I went up to Liberty on a camping trip with the kids, and I always stop in at First Creek Treasures. So there was a guy that I've bought from before, and he was selling some jade. He had all kinds of stuff, but he had a few of these blues. So they haven't been tested. I don't know if they're Ellensburg blues or if they will meet the hardness level. I don't know about all that, but they sure look similar. And I bought about 3 from him before. He finds them in the Teanaway River, or near the Teanaway basalt, I guess. Anyway, they look like blues to me. They've got that purple blue cornflower look, but you have to test the Mohs hardness rating, and he said he hasn't had them tested. So, but I was happy to just find him again because I haven't seen him around for 3 years, and I ran into him there. He had a little table set up. So of course I picked up the ones that I thought were the nicest for wire wrapping, but now my dilemma is, because I don't care if they're Teanaway, Ellensburg, red top, my dilemma is, what color do I want to put of wire on them? So here is like an antique brass. Here's a straight up copper. Here's silver, which is usually the favorite. So I'll probably do several in silver and see how they go. The last ones I did in silver. I think I did one gold. So here's the gold. And this wire seems to have like, it seems to be like a silver gold. So I might try that. It's like it didn't get covered properly or something, because these are all copper wire that have been covered. And then here is an antique copper. I have some black, but I don't use it very often because it chips pretty easy. So there you have it. If I can find someone to test these for me that won't charge a lot of money, I might try that, or if I could figure out how to test it myself. But I don't know. So these are just gorgeous if you look at them up close. I don't care if they're from Teanaway, red top. I know I have a nodule from red top put away somewhere that my son gave me. And they kind of look, you know, they're definitely a blue agate, maybe a blue lace agate. This looks laced. They're all just so beautiful. This one seems to be the darkest blue. But let's compare them. Let's compare them. Oops, tipsy today. It's early. Coffee hasn't set in. That one will hang beautifully. And so will this one. I'll probably do some of them two-sided so you can use them either way. So I happen to have a little box of opals and these are opals I got in Agates, I believe. And I've wire wrapped some of those, but so these are some true blues that I got from a jeweler out in Ellensburg who knows and tests all of his stones. But this is an E-blue. You could see I paid $50 for it, probably 4 or 5 years ago, maybe longer. So it's probably worth $100 now, because these I paid double what I paid about 3 years ago. They're very similar. There's not much lacing in there. They look a lot like it. Now this is a darker blue. So the darker E-blues supposedly are worth more money, or if they're purplish. So here's a little $50 one. So you could see how expensive the E-blue are. And that's why so many people go out hunting them. And there's only certain properties you can go on, because there's a lot of private property out there. Here's another E-blue, and it was $75. It's a little bit bigger, well, quite a bit bigger than that one. But you see, it's a perfect for a ring size, and that's what I was going to make. I haven't yet. So there you have it. Are they E-blue? See, this is gray blue, purple gray. It looks kind of a purple gray. Teanaway blue, red top. I don't know, but I will be teaching a class at Edmonds Rock Club in a few weeks. Maybe someone there can tell me. They know how to test. But there you have it. Let me know what color wire you think I should try. I definitely know I'll make a few out of silver. That's the most popular. And, but I will try some others, and we'll see. So these blues, Teanaway, I'm calling them Teanaway because that's the river that he found them in, or near. And these wire wraps will be going in to Girls Gift Shop in Warm Beach. They're right on the border of Stanwood, Warm Beach, Seven Lakes area, near Tulalip. I live in Tulalip. So that's where they will be going. Although I do have some wire wraps still left in Anna Marie Creative Co-op in Snohomish. So let me know what you think. I was just over the moon excited when I saw him, and he didn't remember me, but I remembered him. And I actually sold all those others, I believe. So, but I sold them as Teanaway Blues until I confirm. Let me know what color you think would look great with these, and I will try it here in the next few days. Thanks for watching.